They'll follow that thing all the way across. A little bit. Make him follow it. Don't let him grab it. Make him get it ahead of him. Like, okay, now jerk it back and get it ahead of him. There you go. Don't let him actually chew on it. You want it out ahead of him. And maybe the blue-eared one over. You can even take it up to the front. Okay, you go. Yeah. Yep.